most auspicious of days that I took it upon myself to bring forth from the great George Street Hall in Brisbane 26,000 gold coins to help make possible this event, so that it may be the most glorious of days in all these lands. Many travellers to our land, travellers that fill our inns and taverns and make many purchases from our land.
And welcome him to Abbeystowe this year. And my lords, my ladies, I'm going to challenge you to say some Latin. I'm going to ask you to say these words after me. Felix Diem Natulus. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Well, that's about 2/3 of you. And on all of you, Felix Diem Natulus at the top of your voice. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday, Master Michael. You didn't see that coming, did you? Not in the notes. And so, members of Historia Germanica, a group that believe no codpiece is too small, that no fabric is too colourful, and no gun is too loud. And when you hear the gunmaster say, "Have a care," he's not being polite. He's asking you to have a care. Because we always start the tournament with a bang! The gun is primed. The match is lit. The powder is poured. You're not doing very much this year, Philip, are you? You're standing there just looking... Yes, girly was the word I was going to say. We'll have more to say about you in the finale, won't we, tomorrow? For those of you that have not been before, you have something in store. And so, my lords and my ladies, for those of you that need to change your undergarments, we have a brand new garderobe built this year to the south side. So I ask you to take advantage of it and don't soil anywhere else. You're not a horse. We thank you, my lords and my ladies. We ask you to visit the encampments. We have much coming up. Very soon on this field at Abbeystowe, the members of the Marksbruder with a competition of skill and strength to see young men in armour do amazing things. Then Sir Justin of a Lady Corps will bring birds of prey in full flight. The archery tournament is here at 12:30. For those of a particular disposition, you may wish to view the oil wrestling challenge today. It is at 12 noon in the oil wrestling pit located to the west of this field. The lecture series begins at 11 in the University Pavilion located just beyond the jousting list. Cat Campbell-Davis will be giving you the beginning and evolution of heraldry, followed by Rosalie Gilbert, will be delving into a delicate matter, medieval feminine hygiene. The medieval instrument workshop with Harlequin follows at 12:15. On the village green at 11, the